Well, here you go. This is my very rudimentary vise build, Toolmakers Vise build. Here's some nice video. I'm just going to share it with you. There's the screw I made. Got a set screw at the top in order to keep that from coming out of there. I made we've got our channel 1/4 inch slot in the bottom, so this can ride back and forth. We have a brass mounting plate to keep that from pulling up and down. We have our fixed jaw. I haven't made any hard or soft jaws. I'll do that some other in the future. This is our threaded end so that our screw can function, but turned out okay. I learned a lot. This is not perfect. It's not pretty. It's very rudimentary. I learned a lot. I use the DRO a ton, but definitely have a lot to learn. I'll probably make another one of these someday, different dimensions, and refine a lot of the components that didn't turn out quite like I had hoped, but overall turned out pretty good. Let's take this out of here. I'll show you how that looks. We'll disassemble it real quick. Pretty dirty. Sorry about my thumbnail there. Got a little cleaning up to do. You can see where that set screw was tightened down a little too much. There's that. Let's take this out of here. Like I said, I'm not real happy with this. Turned out good at first, and then I got to whittling it down, and that looks like garbage. It's functional, but that looks like crap. It's not what I wanted. I'm going to redo this sometime differently. Here's this piece. Again, this looks like crap too. I was doing really good, and then I switched to hand files, and that's where I started screwing everything up. But that goes in there. Slides really nicely. You can see the bottom. Pretty basic design, but you know, I just kind of modeled it after many other vise types. But there's the body of the vise. Anyway, learned a lot from this project.